everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Flow from start to finish. If you're completely new to Google Flow and want to create amazing AI-generated videos, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser on your PC or laptop, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then, go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Flow dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see the option to create a new project. Click New Project ** to begin. Give your project a name so it's easier to find later. Now comes the most important part, writing your prompt. In the prompt box, describe the video you want to create. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your AI-generated video will be. For example, you can describe the location, characters, lighting, camera movements, mood, and overall style of the video. After writing your prompt, review the available settings. Depending on your account, you may be able to choose options like video quality, aspect ratio, duration, or generation mode. Select the settings that best fit your project. Once everything is ready, click the *generate ** button. Google Flow will start creating your AI video based on your prompt. This process may take a few moments, so wait until the generation is complete. When your video is ready, preview it directly in Google Flow. If you're not happy with the result, you can improve your prompt and generate another version. You can also edit the project, change the style, extend the video, or make other adjustments if those features are available in your version of Google Flow. After you're satisfied with the final result, save your project so you can continue editing it later if needed. If the export or download option is available, click it to save the finished video to your computer. That's how easy it is to use Google Flow to create AI-powered videos. The more you practice writing better prompts, the better your video results will become. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.